Video is on.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, what's going on? So I'm here to sort of settle a discussion that I had in class yesterday, and I'm thinking about using our wonderful world of Minecraft to help settle this. So I'm going to jump into this creative world that that this creeper just set up for me, and we're gonna do a little flying around. And really, what the discussion was really comparing some juice, sparkling orange juice. So we've got a couple of people, right? We've got Lynn, and she's got a recipe for sparkling orange juice. All right, so Lynn's ratio is 3 liters of orange juice and 4 liters of sparkling water. All right, and guess what? Guess how I'm gonna represent that? Oh, I killed that cactus. It's floating around. So this is gonna be our orange juice.
You gotta place the cauldron first.
Oh, the cauldron. Okay.
Then you place the
2,
lava.
3. There's 3 liters of orange juice, and each cauldron is gonna represent 1 thing of orange juice, 1 liter of orange juice, and then we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 cauldrons of sparkling water. All right. Whoa. So take a look at this. This is gonna represent Lynn's ratio. But then she's got a buddy, Noah, who's got his own version. So Noah's recipe is 4 liters of orange juice and 5 liters of sparkling water. So let's represent his ratio, his mixture, with some cauldrons. And let's put out 1, 2, 3, 4 orange juices, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's fill these up. Orange juice,
By the way,
orange
that's
juice,
lava,
orange
guys.
juice. No, that's orange juice.
No, that's
And
lava.
this is sparkling water, okay?
Yeah, I put that in as lava.
So our task is to compare these 2 ratios, and they might be the same. And if they are the same, they're gonna taste the same. And if they're not equivalent, then they're gonna taste different. And then we can compare whether or not Lynn or Noah's recipe is more juicy or if they are more watery. All right, so let's actually double Lynn's recipe over here.
You have a lot of water buckets.
Yeah, so this is basically 2 batches of Lynn's mixture, right? Her ratio of 3 to 4 and 3 to 4. So we have 6 to 8, which simplifies down to 3 to 4. All right, that's looking pretty good. So let's double Noah's recipe and see what we come up with. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna have 4 orange juice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, place the lava on the ground. Place the lava on the ground, Dad.
All right, I'll try that in a second. So we're basically just doubling Noah's recipe, right? This is basically 2 batches of Noah's recipe. What happens here? Oh, hey, come on now.
Now you don't know how to stop it.
Look at all that orange juice. It's just laying around everywhere. All right, now back to business. We have Noah's ratio. His mixture has been doubled, right? Now there's 2 batches. He has 8 orange juice and he has 10 sparkling waters for a ratio of 8 to 10. And we have an equivalent ratio of 4 to 5, right? 1 batch is just 4 to 5. So we're looking for a number that's the same in both Lynn and Noah's recipe. All right, I'm gonna keep going here. I'm gonna add another batch to Lynn's.
It's nighttime, bro.
All right, let's triple Lynn's batch.
Why are you staying up at night, Dad?
Because I like hanging out with the monsters. All right, so Lynn has a triple batch. Her ratio is 9 orange juice to 12 waters, which is equivalent to 6 to 8, which is equivalent to 3 to 4, right? So that's her ratio. And Noah's here is looking the same. I'm going to triple Noah's recipe.
Well, I don't want extra water in my orange juice.
Well, we're going to see which one tastes more watery and which one tastes more juicy. All right, so Noah's recipe here is he's got 12 liters of orange juice and he has 15 liters of sparkling water in his recipe. And if you mix that all together, you're going to get some delicious sparkling orange juice. All right, so I'm looking for a number that's the same. I'm seeing 12 orange juice here And I think if I add another batch to Lynn's recipe, she's going to have 12 orange juice. And then we're going to be able to compare the two recipes. 1, 2, 3. Ratio of 3 to 4, which is equivalent to 9 to 12, which is equivalent to 6 to 8, which is equivalent to, let's see if I can get an aerial shot of this, which is equivalent to 12 to 16. All right, so 12 orange juices for Lynn and 16 liters of water.
By the way, on the weekends, I'm going to mess this all up.
Okay.
I'm going to blow it up with TNT.
Yeah, you're going to drink all the sparkling orange juice.
Yeah, I'm going to blow it up with TNT instead.
Blow it up with here's the thing. This is what I want to do. So now that both Lynn and Noah have the same amount of orange juice, like if you notice, Lynn has 12 orange juice in her mixture at the top. Noah has 12 liters of orange juice in his mixture on the bottom, and we can compare how watery it is. So we know there's the same amount of orange juice in each liter. And let's compare the water. So for Lynn's 12 liters of orange juice, she has 4, 8, 12, and 16 liters of water.
Yeah, there's an Enderman walking around.
In Noah's mixture, he's got 12 liters of orange juice, but he has 15 liters of water. Okay, Lynn has 16 liters of water. Noah has 15 liters of water. They have the same amount of orange juice, so one of them is going to be a little more watery than the other, and one of them is also going to be a little more juicy than the other. These are not equivalent ratios, okay? If they were equivalent ratios, if Lynn has 12 liters of orange juice and Noah has 12 liters of orange juice, they both should have the same amount of sparkling water, but they don't. So I'm willing to bet that Lynn's orange juice is going to be a little more watery because she has 1 more liter of water than Noah when they both have 12 liters of orange juice. I hope this is visually a little more clear. Oh, there's an Enderman. Dude, he's taking my sand. Let's do one more thing. Let's add another batch to Lynn, and let's add another batch to Noah and see what happens.
The Enderman keeps walking into the lava juice.
Dude, he just walked right past me. Right into my orange juice mixture.
Come on, kill yourself again. Please, just kill yourself again.
Alright, so that's one more batch for Lynn.
I think it's still on fire.
Let's look at Lynn's batches now. She's got 5 batches of sparkling orange juice. Noah has 4 batches of his sparkling orange juice. But if you notice, and if you count all the sparkling water, Noah has 4 groups of 5 for 20. And Lynn has 5 groups of 4 for 20 liters of sparkling water. So they both have the same amount of sparkling water. We already know these are not equivalent ratios, but let's compare the amount of orange juice in each one of these mixtures. Now they have the same amount of water. This is key. You have to have the same amount of one of the quantities to compare them. Well, Noah has 16 liters of orange juice. Lynn has 15 liters of orange juice. The one with the most orange juice is going to be juicier. They both have the same amount of water in each one. We can compare the amount of juice, and Noah, with his 16 liters of orange juice, has more than Lynn's 15 liters of orange juice. His is going to taste more orangey, and Lynn's is going to taste more watery. All right. That's about it. What should I do with the cauldrons?
Now, place water in the lava ones and place lava in the water ones.
Why? What's going to happen there?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, just place lava everywhere. Why are you distracting the math world?
Uh-oh. Looks like I spilled some orange juice. So that's it for today. We'll see you next time.
Now you have to solve this Rubik's Cube.